Well, hello, my beautiful YouTube family. Welcome back to another one. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And hi, hello. My name is Jeannie. You guys, I am so excited. So when I'm filming this, it is Tuesday night. And tonight, when I walked out of work tonight, it marked the last day of work until after Christmas. We're closed on Christmas Day at my restaurant, and then my normal days off are Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I am so excited. I don't have to go back to work until the day after Christmas. And that is good because I am hosting a Christmas Eve party here at my house, and I've got a lot of cleaning to do. I just recently, within the last 3 years, had my own home. So we bought a house where we could host parties at, and I will tell you, I have a newfound appreciation for hosting holiday parties for family and friends. It's a lot of work, and especially when you have 2 toddlers in your house and a very messy 13-year-old boy who just tear things up faster than you can clean. And honestly, like having my 1.5-year-old and 2.5-year-old, it's pretty much like having twin toddlers. It's like a tornado. Oh my God. So anyhow, let's just get into the reason for the video. We're gonna go through my paid for December BoxyCharm base box. This is going to be a giveaway video. So if you have been following me, I'm sorry if you hear a lot of ruckus in the background. My kitten and my older cat are chasing each other around and just being crazy. So that is what all of the noise in the background is. But so I do get BoxyCharm PR boxes. Those come in the beginning of the month. And then I'm also a paying customer. So my paid for box tends to come a lot later in the month. And then I also get a premium box. And that seems to come earlier in the month along with my PR box. But anyhow, so I got my PR box, and I knew that the choice item for the BoxyCharm box was the same as my paid for box. So I knew that there would be some repeat items, and I told you guys earlier in the month that I would do a giveaway with most of the repeat items. The only item that I wouldn't be giving away would be the choice item in the box because I absolutely adore the item and I want to have one for myself and one for a backup. But everything else we're going to do a giveaway. That's all that matters. But before we get into that, you guys, these late night videos after work for me, it's like I can't keep a freaking thought and I'm all over the place. So please forgive me. Some of my videos are much more put together and some of my videos are like all over the place because I'm a tired mama. But if you are new, I also want to quickly mention I have part 1 of 2 holiday giveaways also going on right now. So this is going to mark 2 giveaways going on my channel at the same time. If you want to check out my holiday giveaway, it's got Jeffree Star, Anastasia Beverly Hills, Morphe, Glam Glow, and much, much more. All you have to do, of course, is just be a member of my beauty YouTube family by hitting the subscribe button and then leave me a comment on the giveaway video, which I'll have linked in the description box below. And then I also want to mention for that giveaway and for this giveaway are both going to come to an end the first week of the new year. That is when both of the giveaways will come to an end and have their winner, and the products will go to their new owners. And then that is when I'm also going to open my part 2 of the holiday giveaways, and it's going to be a New Year's blowout giveaway with all kinds of amazing goodies, and I can't wait to show you what's in that giveaway when we get there. So for now, let's dive into my paid for BoxyCharm base box for the month of December. This box did cost $25 a month, and they recently increased it to $27 a month, I believe. They've pretty much increased all of their boxes now. They started with the premium and the luxe box. And then they didn't increase this one right away, but now they did. But at the end of the day, you guys, I think BoxyCharm is completely worth it. I have a love relationship with BoxyCharm. Is every single product going to be for you? No, but for the value, I just feel like you can't beat it. And I'm a BoxyCharm lifer because of that. I don't care if I have to pay another $2 for the box a month. They got me. I love them. So anyhow, every single month with BoxyCharm, we have a theme card. For the month of December, it is the gift of glam, which of course is very appropriate for the month of giving. And it's got a cute little card with all of the gifts on it, which I think is cute. And then on the flip side, we're always going to have all of the products that are in our particular variation, along with a little bit of information about each thing and how much the retail value of the product is, which I really, really like, opposed to like Ipsy, because you're able to actually see the value that you're getting within your box. So I love that. Now, within this box, you're able to customize one item, and the item that I chose was the Algenist Triple Algae Eye Balm. This retails for $68, and it's said to improve the appearance of crow's feet and fine lines around the eye within 10 days. Well, let me just tell you that I got this, like I said, this was in my PR box earlier in the month, and I have been using it, and I see a massive difference in my under eye area already. I was to the point at 36 years old where wearing concealer was kind of iffy for me. If I wasn't having a good skin day, if my eyes weren't perfectly hydrated ahead of time, if I didn't have the right concealer, if I set it just a bit too much with setting powder, it started to look cakey and crepey underneath. Like, not horribly. I'm not, you know, like elderly, but I'm starting to see the signs of aging on my face at 36. So all I can say is I see a massive difference in hydration, in smoothness, and this is a brand that I already know I love. I have tried a ton of their products. They have these products you can scour your local Marshalls and TJ Maxx. Is the high-end skincare line, but you can find their stuff in Marshalls and TJ Maxx for a discounted price, and that is what I do. I love everything that I've tried from them, and this is no different. So I'm excited that I got the one earlier, and now I have a backup. So that is a product from the box that I'm actually going to keep for myself. And then next, we do have the Studio Makeup Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Serum. This retails for $45. This I also got in my PR box, and I have also tried this out. I wanted to save it. I'm so bad at that because I have so much skincare open, and you only have so long once you open it to go through it before you're supposed to throw it away. You know, oops, I just ripped the package and I'm giving this away. I did not mean to do that. I wanted to show you how much product you get in this. There we go. So for a face serum, that is a ton of product. Hyaluronic acid is an essential skincare ingredient. What it does is it draws moisture into your skin and allows that moisture to plump your skin and kind of smooth out the fine lines in your skin and allows your skin to hold moisture. So super, super great skincare ingredient. And this one feels really, really nice on the skin. I love the one that I have, but I already have one, and this is going to go into the giveaway. And the next product is from Rasali Beauty. It is the Bella Sponge Duo. This retails for $24, and it comes with 2 sponges. I have been using mine. This is another one that was in my BoxyCharm PR box, and I have used mine a ton. I absolutely love them. They expand really, really nicely when dampened. And I mean, what really is there to say about it? They're sponges, but they're really, really nice. So anyhow, I've got mine, and these ones are going into the giveaway. And next, from Seraphine Botanicals, we do have the Luna Liner. It is a water-resistant liquid liner that retails for $18. I am in love with this brand. Seraphine Botanicals is a brand that I had heard the name, but never tried anything until I was a member of BoxyCharm. And then, you know, we get things from them in the box. A lot more recently, we've been seeing more of them in the box, but I am in love with the products that I have tried. I did get this also in my PR box, and I used it. I liked it. I used it on camera in the unboxing for my original one. It's actually a very, very nice liner, and that also is going to go into the giveaway because I already have one. And then the last item that was in my paid for box is the Dito Cosmetics Limited Edition Venus 12 Shade Palette. It retails for $29.99. Now, I did recently purchase a palette from them off of Amazon. I actually did a review on it. If you want to check that out, I'll link that video in the description box below. But I thought the palette was amazing. And this one I do not own. This is what it looks like. So it's a pretty neutral palette with a pressed glitter in there, and I will definitely use this in an upcoming video. We'll check it out together. But like I said, I am familiar with this brand and the eyeshadow formula because I bought the one off of Amazon. And I think the look came out really good. Like I said, if you want to check out that video, I'll have it linked below. But we'll use this one together very soon. So those were the items that were in this box. But then remember, in my, I can't keep it, PR, paid for, PR. In my PR box, there was also the Benefit Cosmetics Georgia Peach Blush that I had gotten in my paid for premium box. So also I am putting this into the giveaway. Now this, oops, is a beautiful blush. You guys, it smells really, really good. This is not going to do it justice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab mine really quick and swatch it. But I'm just going to let you know right now, if you are any darker than me, this might not work for a blush for you, but what it would work for is a really pretty golden highlight. I should have mine right here. Yes, it is. So it's beautiful, and I do use it for a blush, but I also use it for a highlight sometimes, depending on what I'm going for. But let me show you what the color looks like. So that is what it looks like. I'll see if it'll swatch. It does smell really good. But yeah, so as you can see, it is not the most pigmented, but there is color to it. It just depends on what skin tone you are. So if you are a darker complexion, it still would work for you for a really pretty highlight. Maybe not so much for like a super pigmented blush, but either way, I think any skin tone could get use out of it. Just depends on what you would be using it for. So that's going to do it for this. If you want to get your entry into the giveaway, all you have to do is leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what product out of all of the products in the giveaway would you be most excited to receive. I love to hear that because it helps me for my future giveaways on my channel. It lets me know what people are most excited to receive, and then I try and incorporate those products as much as I can into my future giveaways. So that's why I always ask you guys to let me know. And yeah, that's going to be it for this video. So I will see you guys soon in my next one. And until then, guys, stay safe, stay beautiful. I'll see you soon. Bye.